All right, welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to edit a photo or an image that you have created previously and you want to make changes to the images. So this skill is suitable for if you're not good in design or you're not good in editing images or creating images using those all sorts of image editors out there. Why not use generative AI to quickly do the work for you? Okay. So before we get into the business of asking the AI to edit our image or photo, we're going to first of all set up the workspace. So if you're using the latest edition or version of ChatGPT, you'll see one interesting tool that ChatGPT has already added. So if you look on the left side, you'll see a tool with the name New Project. So you can use New Project to create names for different projects that you are going to work. So you can create all sorts of projects. For example, you create one for editing photos or images. You can create one project for research purpose. If you're a teacher, you create one project for assessment or lesson planning or data analysis. So you can use this very useful tool to do that. Okay, so on the left side, you'll see new project there, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, one important thing about this new tool is that it helps you to organize your work. So example, if you're editing your photo now, the particular work that you have completed now, you can come back to it later simply by clicking on the name of the project, and then you can continue on where you left off. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to type the name of the project. So I'm going to give the name my image editor. So you can give any name to your project. So after you type the name of the project, you click create. Okay. And then wait for the AI to create the project name for you. Okay. Now you can see that the ChatGPT has already created my project name. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to upload the image that I want the AI to edit. So I'm going to click on the upload button on the left side here, where it says, when you point on it, it says add files and more. So I'm going to click on that. And there are number of options here. So I'm going to click on the first one that says add photos and files. Okay. And then I'll look for the location where the image is stored. So that my image folder is stored on the desktop. So click on desktop and look for images. So here it is. Okay, this is the image that I'm going to upload. So click on it to select and then click open. Okay. Now I've created this, or I asked ChatGPT to create this thumbnail for me yesterday. And then I realized that there are some things that needs to be modified. So I'll ask ChatGPT again to edit it for me. Okay. So we'll just wait for the image to be uploaded. Once it's done, then we'll type the prompt. Okay. Okay. The next thing we need to do is to type the prompt that will instruct ChatGPT to edit the image according to our requirements. So here I've already typed the prompt using Microsoft Word. So I'm going to copy this one and paste it into ChatGPT prompt box, and then ChatGPT will create the, or not create, but edit the image. So here's the prompt. Edit this image by making changes to the following. One, file size should be reduced to 2 megabytes or less. Okay, this is the requirement for YouTube thumbnail. So if your file is bigger than 2 megabytes, then YouTube won't allow you to upload the thumbnail. So your thumbnail should be 2 megabytes and less. Two, move the same male and female researchers to an office environment. So here, instructing ChatGPT to move the same two people into the office environment. Three, they're sitting in the office looking at a large screen viewing research data. Three, make sure the male and female researchers are Melanesians from Papua New Guinea. Four, the image orientation should be landscape. Five, make sure the text data remains the same. Six, maintain the same color environment. I want to edit this one. Maintain the same color as an actual, sorry, maintain the same color that is suitable, for an office environment. Okay, maintain the same color, or not same, but change same to realistic. Uh, maintain the maintain the realistic color that is suitable for an office environment. Okay. The reason why I'm putting this one is that I want the AI to make sure that office color is just like an office, actual office. Okay. So I'm going to copy this and paste it into the prompt box. Okay. You can type the prompt straight in the prompt box, but just to speed up the process, I just typed it previously, and I'm now copying it to speed up the process. Okay. So from 1 to 6, this will tell ChatGPT to follow my instruction exactly. Okay. So I'm going to click on the submit button and wait for ChatGPT to edit the image for me. Okay. Still reading and interpreting the instruction, and now it's starting to uh, edit the image now. Okay, ChatGPT has finally completed the editing, so I'm going to click on it to enlarge it. Okay, so you can see these two uh, individuals from PNG. We moved into the office environment, and two of them are now discussing and looking at the research data on a large computer screen. And you can see the text data here. How to collaborate with Gen AI to prepare research topic, research articles, or literature review. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point your mouse on the download button on the top right hand side of the screen. So I'm going to click on that and then select the location where the image will be stored in. So the image folder is on the desktop. So I'm going to select that and then look for the image folder. This is the one. So I'm going to open it. Then just give it a name. Uh, Collaborate AI. So I'm going to save it. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is find out whether the AI is actually reduce the image size. So I'm going to go to the image folder and then open the thumbnail from the. Okay. All right, this is the new thumbnail. So I'm going to right click, then I'm going to click on properties here, image property or properties. Yeah, I'm going to check the file size. Now, YouTube video size should be 2 megabytes or less. Okay, this one is still 2.58 megabytes. Now, if I go to my YouTube what channel and I want to upload this thumbnail, YouTube won't allow it. So I need to ask ChatGPT to further reduce the size of this thumbnail, okay, to uh, 2 megabytes or less. Okay, so I'm going to go back to ChatGPT again. I'm going to iterate again by typing a short prompt. Okay, so I'm going to ask ChatGPT to reduce the size. The image size should be, so sorry, the image size is still big. Okay. Reduce the file size down to 2 megabytes or less. Okay. So I'm going to click on the submit button and then wait for ChatGPT to edit the image again by reducing the file size to 2 megabytes or less. Okay. So I'm going to click on it to enlarge it. Then I'm going to download it again. Then I'll type collaborate there's AI, there's version 2. Okay, let's go back to the image folder and check again. It is version 2 here. So just right click, click on properties. The image is still 2.19 megabytes. So if I upload this one to my channel, YouTube will still reject it. So file size is still big. So 2.19 is still big. So I'm going to iterate again by typing another prompt. The image size is 2.19 megabytes. Reduce the file size down to 2 megabytes or less. Okay. So I'm going to click on the submit button. Okay. So ChatGPT reduced the file size is what it says. I've reduced the image size successfully. It is now about 0.23 megabytes, well under the 2 megabytes limit. Okay. You can download it here. So I'm going to click on the link here and download the latest version. So let's say save into the image folder. So I'm going to call it Elaborate AI version 3. Okay, let's hope this is the final one. If it's not, then we'll ask the AI to continue to reduce the file size. Okay, I'm going to open the image folder, and this is the latest update here, version 3. So I'm going to right click or simply point my mouse and see the pop-up message, but let's go to properties and confirm it from there. Okay, now you can see the image size is now less than 2 megabytes. That's 239 kilobytes, which is less than megabytes. Okay, so if I upload this image, then YouTube will allow me to upload it because it's uh, less than 2 megabytes. Okay, all right. That's. I hope you find this video very useful, and you can try it. You can even ask the AI to try and edit a real photo. In this example, I used an image that has the AI to create previously, but you can try uh, uploading an actual photo and then ask the AI to edit it for you. Okay. So once again, this tool is for users that are not uh, into image editing. Uh, Then you don't need to worry. You just ask the AI to quickly edit the image for you. Okay, thank you for watching.